Good day all, my name is Flip. Welcome back to the Rustic Way, where we do affordable woodworking. Please subscribe and like the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. If this is your first time, please come back and visit us and support the Rustic Way. Thank you. This project we're going to make a doggy bed with all the scrap pieces I've got here. These are all scrap pieces of wood, and this was the bottom side of a bird cage. These are all the scrap pieces that we left over from the project for the kiddies chair and table. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a nice doggy bed. This will be the bottom. This is for a small dog, and then we will paint it if we're done. So hope you're going to enjoy it. Let me start with a few things, because I want to look for wood that we can put at the bottom so that we can add this too. So I want this a little bit thicker. I've taken these sides also out of the scrap box, and I've sewed them so they fit nicely now. So now I'm gonna just give it a rough sand at the bottom. Then I'm gonna glue it, and then I will sand them and the sides as well. So I'm gonna sand this part now, then glue this, and then we will go from there. I've glued all these pieces of wood together. So now I'm going to sand them, all these pieces here. I'm going to sand them first, and then we will see what pattern we're going to use for the sides, and then we're going to cut it and round the edges. I've marked the pieces that I want to cut it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my jigsaw, and I'm going to cut out my markings here, all the pieces, and then I'll show you, because then we need to sand it with fine sandpaper to get all the marks out of it. Yes, you can see these marks on, I've numbered them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that if one side is 1 millimeter longer than the other side, it won't be a train smash. All the pieces have been cut and finished, so the only thing left is to assemble them. I'm going to start with the assembling now, and when I'm done with the assembling, I will show you. I still need to finish a bit of, I've done most of the finishing, and I think it looks quite good. What I'm going to do is I saw these 5 centimeter blocks. I'm going to put legs like this, but on the bottom. So what I've done is I've marked the square here, drilled 2 holes in here, there and there, and I'm going to fasten that now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first put 2 screws in here. This is 25 millimeter drywall screws. So just turn it that it sticks out at the back. This one as well. Sticks out. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on it. That's it. So I'll fasten the other three, and then we'll see how it looks. This is after I've assembled the legs. I finish it off. This is now ready for varnish or paint. I've got this mat that I cut out of an old car mat. I put the cushion on top. And then if it's dirty, you just take it out, wash it and put it back. You can paint this, you can varnish it, you can do whatever you want to with it, as long as it suits your style and your color. It's fine. I'm gonna varnish mine. So I'm gonna do the varnishing and then we will look at it a little bit later. This is the legs at the bottom. I just want to show you something else. This is also a doggy bed that I've made quite a number of years ago. You'll see it's very dirty because the dog that sleeps in it is the outside dog. I'm going to paint it also today again, and then I'll show you how it looks when it's painted. The dog likes it very much, sleeps in it every night. This is the old one after I've repainted it. Should be good for another 8 years now. So I'll put it back today so that the doggy can sleep in it. This is the final product of the bed that I made all from scrap wood. The only thing left now is put this in. And now it can go in the house and the dogs can come and enjoy the bed. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it.